Hey guys, so this one's going to be super quick because today was the added checkpoint that we added in that I forgot about yesterday. That was my fault. So please make sure that you click on that in our Google Classroom. Here you will see that we have, come back, week 3. So your checkpoint is right here. Our 2 one-man bands, Membeam for the week. This was our recap from yesterday. Make sure you have a Membeam account. So that is pretty much it. So again, our rundown. So do this week. We have our checkpoint via Illuminate link that you will click on to go to Illuminate. Membeam, remember I need at least 3 days from you for 15 minutes. And that extra 15 for the hour can come from any time. Your independent reading with your notes on page 12 in your notebook, your journal, and the one-man band dialogue and the theme. That is what is due for me by Friday this week. Again, if you have questions, please ask, and I will see y'all tomorrow.